Hey everyone, this is Satyajit. So today I'm starting a new videos. So where I'm explaining about one fully package or fully modules, right? So where I will discuss about on-premises, basic of on-premises, why AWS cloud came into picture, what are the benefits of on-premises and what are the disadvantages of on-premises, then why AWS came into picture. So we will start from scratch. So this course will be applicable for the freshers who wants to build their career in cloud, and also who is working in a different domain and who wants to come to the cloud background, right? And it will be applicable for freshers. Anybody can understand these videos, right? This course. Okay. So here I will not cover much things, many things. I will cover only the basics of the cloud, fully basics, and post that we will start about the few of the services of AWS, which is the building blocks of AWS services. Like on the AWS services, we will understand what is AWS, what is cloud computing, benefits of cloud computing, along with how to create an AWS account, okay, and what are the AWS services. Okay, we will discuss in more. Next, we will discuss about these all are the details like AWS, EC2 means Elastic Compute Cloud. Then we'll discuss about Virtual Private Cloud VPC. Next, we'll talk about databases. So this is not in a proper order. So these are the details we are going to discuss in this course or in these durations. And I will start with the basics of cloud. Then I will jump it depending on your understanding, right? I will go to the VPC like Virtual Private Cloud. Once we done with VPC, then we'll come to the EC2, then IAM, databases, S3 respectively. And this course is fully basics. Anyone can understand. So please focus on the course. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I will help you out. Please update all your comments and I will help you understand. Thank you for watching my video.